Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I am Jeremy Price. This is my Ideal Gardens channel for things gardening, horticultural based. So today I'm going to show you one of my favourite roses that I've been working on, training and pruning back, called Gertrude Jekyll. It is a 5-foot English climber and looks superb on against this white wall. Nice backdrop. So I've been warming up over the last couple of years, doing some vine eyeing on this wall of this old cottage here. There's the vine eyes, and then I've been pinning and training this rose back. So I've got 3 stems, got 1, 2, got third one there, and one you can just about see there. So I've been tying these in, keeping this back against the wall. It's a real nice 5-foot English rose, lovely pink florets. Zoom in, have a close up. It needs deadheading. So when you come to deadhead these, if you keep deadheading regularly and feeding, you will get a really good continuous of flowers throughout the growing season. It's looking really good at the moment. No sign of pest, no sign of black spot on the leaves, no sign of pest diseases. I haven't really been spraying this, but there is a few ladybirds on here, so that actually does help. You see a few little birds, another bud there coming out. But when you want to deadhead these, you can get them like this and just snap the heads off, just like that, and put them on compost heap. This will need doing. There's quite a lot of dead heads on here, so this will probably take me a couple of won't take me long to deadhead this one back. But like I said, just keep deadheading to constantly keep it flowering throughout the growing season, keep it fed and watered. It's quite busy with bees today. If I zoom in, you can see how pretty that looks, and that's when they're fully open. So this is a 5-foot English rose called Gertrude Jekyll with lovely salmon pink flowers. And I say keep it trained back with vine eyes. So what I've done here is vine eyed with some wall tie and some wall plugs and wide tie for wiring, and then I've done 1, 2, and the third one's sort of lower down, and then these can be wired in. So again, the deadheading. You can use the secateurs if you want. If I haven't got secateurs, just snap them off. One there, with your thumb, snap them off. And there, snap it off. And there, you can snap it off. Tidy that up. So every time you walk out, first thing in the morning, or if you're just out in the garden, if you haven't got any pairs of secateurs on you, you can just get the rose, give a snap off there, and then that will start to bud out. Let me pull right back so you can see again what this one looks like. And it's nice because at the bottom of this rose we have real nice irises, nice blue flowering iris just at the base of this one, and it looks really nice really with the, if I go up against the white wall, get the real nice Gertrude Jekyll from David Often. Anyway, if you like my channel, please subscribe and like and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you again fairly soon. Bye for now.